Show that they can duet. And you've heard what the judges have to say.
You chose the right song, you chose the right partner.
Gumanda yung boses niya nung naging duet na.
Ngayong Sabado, isa sa kanilang kailangang magpaalam at kayo ang huhusga. Who will stay and who will go? Can they still duet with their new partner? Find out in
Celebrity Duet!
Sabado ng gabi pagkatapos ng Fantastic Man. Walang tigil ang naggagandahang istorya. Tuloy-tuloy ang drama. Tuloy ang pasok ng pag-ibig sa nangunguna at di mapantayang GMA Telebabas. Sisimulan ng 24 oras. Saksihan ang pagbabagong anyong magaganap sa mga mata ni Angelita hanggang saan magpapadala ang bulag na pag-ibig ni Pili tutuklasin ang katotohanan. Mabubunyag na ba ang tunay na impostora? Asawa at anak ang mabibihag. Mananaig pa ba ang dakilang layunin ni Jumong? Subaybayan gabi-gabi, Lunes hanggang Biyernes dahil para sa ikasisiyan ng sambayanan. Tuloy-tuloy ang pasok. GMA Telebabad. Mga tips sa pagpili ng true love.
Ngayon, sabihin mo, sa harap namin dalawa, kung sino mas matimbang para sa'yo.
Sino ba talagang mas gusto ko?
Maglista sa whiteboard. Start as friends.
Anniversary lang naman natin this Saturday eh.
Ay, o nga pala.
And seal it with a kiss. At introducing Mortal Enemy number 1. Sa Boys Next Door, ngayong linggo-bingo na.
Sa Caniston, goodbye sa mga fungi.
It's time for another hit with Smart Buddy. The cast of High School Musical is back with a brand new single. Get the What Time Is It ringtone, MP3 tone, 3G full music track, or call a ringtune. Text keyword to 234. Download now.
Dandruff comes back again and again because your shampoo just washes it away. Aren't you tired of this? Introducing new revolutionary Clear. With zinc phytanol technology, not only eliminates dandruff, it nourishes scalp from within and prevents dandruff from coming back. Not today, not tomorrow. Can your shampoo do this? Clear. No dandruff.
From Unilever.
San Miguel beer, please!
Great move.
Great beer.
No problem!
Masarap. Malutong. Lasa.
Marami!
Para sa mga ganado, Magic Flakes ang panalo dahil 4 times ang crackers, 4 times ang sarap. Magic Flakes, panalo ang ganado.
50,000 tablets. Sali na sa Unilab Hula Mo Bahay Mo Raffle Promo! Manalo ng bahay at lupa or 100,000 pesos home makeover or Samsung audio video equipment. Hulaan kung ilang tabletas ang laman ng Unilab House. Bumili ng 50 pesos worth ng participating brands, piliin ang tamang sagot, i-fill up ang coupon, ilakip ang proof of purchase, ihulog sa mga drop boxes sa mga butika. Magmadalit sumali sa Unilab Hula Mo Bahay Mo Raffle Promo!
Bakit mas happy ang taong may energy?
Kasi ang taas ng confidence niya.
Kasi lagi siyang masigla.
Kasi nasa tuktok siya ng mundo!
Gaya ni Bong Navarro, naka-Enervon multivitamins araw-araw. Kaya walang duda, ang taong may energy was happy!
More energy, mas happy!
Enervon.
Look, what is it? Come on, let's go! Whoa!
Lito.
Accept this token of appreciation from the Golden Caramel Kingdom.
Delicious. Oh, sweet. Tasty and yummy. Was it all a dream? I don't think so.
Jack and Jill Caramel Curls.
It's my favorite caramel treat. Sa Canistan, goodbye sa mga fungi.
C2 explore. C2 unwind. C2 be free. C2 live cool. With brewed natural green tea. C2 live clean. That's the cool and clean C2 life.
Basta Fever, Tempra's always been my choice for my kids. My Tempra for infant, kid, and school age. For fast fever relief, no shake Tempra.
Bossing, ubos na ang paborito niyong afritada, mechado.
Walang problema. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa sa 555 tuna. Sari-saring ulam, sari-saring sarap.
Baka muli tayo sa Super Ferry.
Sigurado ako, ikaw ang pinakamaganda dun sa contest.
Ay, thank you na. Uy, si Miss Barangay! Uy, si Miss Barangay! Malis na! Sa Super Ferry ako!
Sasama kami kasi ang mura ng pamasahe! Buti mura ng pamasahe, nakasama tayo!
Ang mura na pala!
Kayang-kayang pamasahe, isang bayan man ang bumiyahe. Super Ferry, tripid to.
Dire-diretsong ubo? Magsinikod ka agad para sa dire-diretsong ginhawa. Sinikod para sa mabisa at pangmatagalang ginhawa sa ubo. Sinikod.
Water is good. If it had natural fruit flavors, it would be irresistible. And if it had vitamins and minerals, it would be Gatorade Propel. Propel Active Water contains 6 vitamins and minerals. It's water as active as you. Propel. It's how Gatorade does water.
Alam mo ba, love kong magluto. At madiskarte ako dyan, ha? Lalo na sa favorite kong sinigang. Dati may sinigang was, pwede na. Then my mom said, try Maggie Sinigang. Better sa gamit mo. So, try agad ako. Mas sumarap with Maggie. Mas natural yung pagka-fruity ng asim. Super sarap talaga. As usual, my mom was right. Try nyo rin. For me, may tunay na sarap sampalok ang Maggie Sinigang. Ang Maggie ay gawa ng Nestle.
We're getting ready. We've got what it takes to be the best. We won't give up. We'll keep going. We have the energy, the winning energy.
Milo, action-packed with more malt, more nutritious, more delicious.
We need our Milo today. Go further with Milo every day.
Sigla ng kulay, ng damit, pati ako, masigla rin! Sa Zonrox, sabong panlaba with color-safe bleaching action. Tanggal ang matcha, sigla ng kulay. Zonrox, thanks! Masigla ang buhay!
When you're this close to 8 cute guys, you better have 8-hour freshness. New Carefree Healthy Fresh has tea tree for 8-hour odor control.
Oops, my ID.
New Carefree Liner with tea tree. Try it and wash.
Shop at a 3-day sale of SM City Santa Mesa, Valenzuela, and Santa Rosa on August 17, 18, and 19. Up to 50% off on great selections mall-wide. Get a chance to win next-base portable DVD players with 7-inch color monitor.
Sa Canistan, goodbye sa mga fungi.